Hey guys, I'm Austin with Everyday Nerd, and today I have some absolutely massive news for you, and it's that Tesla hit 500,000 deliveries in the year 2020. Woo! It's almost as if Mr. Musk walked up to us investors and just said, "I'm going to pump you up!" Because that is exactly what's about to happen to the stock when the markets reopen on Monday. All aboard for the hype train. Tickets, please. What this basically means for investors is that Tesla stock is about to pull a freaking Spaceballs and go plaid. And as an investor, I am so thrilled that this is about to happen. All right, so Tesla just hit a major milestone in a year with several other major milestones already lined up for them. If you haven't already guessed it, their stock is going to skyrocket. I was originally, in this video, before this news hit, going to estimate their stock hitting anywhere from $750 to maybe even $800 on this news out of China. However, with him hitting 500,000 deliveries, I could easily see them hitting about $850 to $900 when everything's factored in. On this news alone, I could see the stock possibly hitting about $800 a share. That would not shock me. On top of that already amazing news, I've got, well, more news coming out of China and also a pretty fantastic rumor coming out of there as well. However, before we dive into it, please annihilate the like button for this video the same way that Tesla just annihilated all of Wall Street's expectations for the year 2020. If you could please do that, that would be a humongous help for me. And while you're doing that, please just go ahead and subscribe to my channel because I'm pretty awesome. I'm pretty sure that you're awesome. And I like to think I make awesome-ish content. So with that, let's get back to it. So, not to be outdone, we've got China giving us some juicy news and even juicier rumors. And on the news side of things, we've got price decreases for the Model Y, apparently. The all-wheel drive long-range version went down from, or decreased from a roughly 74, almost 75,000 US dollar price tag to about 51,000, almost $52,000, which is pretty significant. And then the performance version decreased from around $81,000 to $82,000 down to about $56,000, almost $57,000. These are roughly 30% reductions in price, which is pretty significant because this means that Tesla is now undercutting NIO, Li, and the other one. I'm not quite sure how to say it, so I won't. And this is amazing news for Tesla, not so amazing news for their competitors, but since I'm a Tesla investor and not investing in the others, I'm fine with that. I also am not worried by the fact that they're reducing price so much because a lot of people may not look at the cars like this, but I view Tesla vehicles almost like game consoles. They're not making a loss on these. They're still selling these at a profit, but they can afford to reduce the initial margins of the vehicles when they sell them and they get driven off the lot or delivered to a customer's house. But then they're more likely to make that initial savings up after the fact. You've got full self-driving, you've got other features that they can charge you for. So they're not done making money off the customer the second that the vehicle ends up in their hands. There is still a potential revenue stream there for Tesla way after the fact, especially once they roll out the subscription-based version of their full self-driving software, which I believe is coming out this year, which I mentioned in a previous video. To try and give you guys some context for why these 100,000 pre-orders are a massive deal, assuming they're actual numbers and they're legitimate, let's look at how many Model 3s Tesla sold in all of 2020 in China. It was roughly, 71,000 vehicles? So if this information is to be believed, that means that the Model Y is exponentially outselling the Model 3. They are selling more Model Ys in less than a 24-hour period than Tesla sold of Model 3s over a 365-day period. That is astounding. That is also pretty damn awesome. So there you have it, guys. This year is already shaping up to be pretty insane for Tesla, and we're only 2 days in. I am pretty stoked to see what next week brings at this rate, you know? But I'm hoping they hit their full self-driving, semi, and Cybertruck goals as well this year, because if they do, like I said before, I feel like we could easily see the stock hit $1,000 or more by the end of the year. But even if that doesn't happen, this just proves to me, and should hopefully prove to you guys as well, that the fundamentals of the company are just absolutely rock solid right now. And they're going to be going into all this exceptional news with lighter balance sheets once they pay off all their debt from that $5 billion they raised back in 2020. So the company's never looked healthier, never looked stronger, never looked more profitable, and from here on out, they're just going to exponentially increase and improve in every possible way. Holy crap, you're still here? Well, if that's the case, please absolutely annihilate the like button for this video, because it helps me with the fickle YouTube algorithm gods, and it also helps me feel better. And while you're doing that, please just go to my channel and subscribe so you can receive notifications for future content that I post. And, well, with that being said, thank you so much for watching, and I truly appreciate your time, and I hope you enjoyed this video.